Baby electric hair clippers and trimmers set by GLAND. GLAND is one of the best sellers among baby hair clippers products. Quiet function. The hair clipper will help you give your baby a haircut with no stress and tears. The manufacturer's device's silent function of less than 45 decibels sound will not scare your baby, and he or she will get used to it in no time. Comfortable design. The manufacturer's hair clipper is designed to fit comfortably in your hands so you can maneuver it with ease. It's also very small and lightweight, so you can carry it around easily, and the haircut process goes smoothly and effortlessly. Harmless clipping. The accompanying combs of the manufacturer's device follow the curves and contours of the baby's skin faithfully, so you can be assured of a fast, safe, and injury-free haircut procedure. Fast charging. The baby hair clipper will charge in only 5 hours, much faster than similar devices. Its battery will also last longer than competing products, so you could give a haircut to your kids and their cousins with a single charge. Adjustable combs. Give your baby the perfect haircut by controlling the hair length you want to give them. The manufacturer's device comes with 2 attachable combs of 3/6 mm and 9/12 mm sizes, so you can select the hair length you want, or use each of them at different times for a more creative haircut. The perfect device for giving home haircuts to your baby. Why spend a lot of money on a hairdresser when you can easily give your baby a haircut on your own? The baby hair clipper by GLAND will help you do just that. In the package of your order you will find 1 hair clipper, 1 charger, 1 comb 3/6 mm, 1 comb 9/12 mm, 1 cleaning brush, 1 cleaning cloth, 1 anti-static circumference cloth. The manufacturer's hair is charged in a normal AC 90-220V outlet and can be fully charged in 5 hours. An indicator lights up when the device is in use or it is charging. Effortless and safe use. Giving a haircut to your baby is now fast and smooth experience. The manufacturer's device is lightweight and easy to hold, and it is also much quieter than other similar devices, which will put your baby at ease and let you complete the haircut with no fear or stress. You also have no fear of hurting your baby. Each comb runs smoothly on the baby's skin, making the haircut a fast and safe procedure. Easy care. You can easily maintain the baby hair clipper so it can work in the best condition for a long time. If it's been a while since you last used it, apply some oil on the blade before using. Use only on clean hair, so there are no jamming problems. Keep it away from water and moisture to protect it from malfunctioning, like with all electrical devices. Check the indicator light to make sure there are no charging problems. If you have any questions, you can always consult the manufacturer's manual. The manufacturer's amazing baby hair clipper is in stock. Click